Hello, and welcome to the Big Mail Project, your online app to print, address, send, and track direct mail. Today, we're going to go over how to create an automated campaign. So automated campaigns are a very powerful feature of the Big Mail Project, in essence that they essentially manage and send direct mail without you having to do it yourself. So here we are on the dashboard, and we're going to go ahead and start creating let's say a birthday campaign to automate and send out to everybody in the lists a particular birth date or designated time that we want the mail to arrive. So let's go ahead. In the drop down you can go to create a campaign, or if you want to go over here and create a campaign on the main buttons on the dashboard. So clicking create a campaign takes you to the process, and so we've got this set up to kind of walk you through everything. So let's call this March birthday campaign demo. And so you select that it's an automated campaign. The difference between automated and traditional is that automated, once you set it up, it does it for you, and traditional, you're basically doing a one-time bulk delivery. So like say 5,000 or 200 postcards or letters all at once that go out for a specific event, as just an example. But let's do automated. Since this is a birthday campaign, we want it to occur yearly, so just once a year, and we're going to use the trigger date. And so what the trigger date is basically whenever you import your recipients that you associate a date with them. And so if you wanted a piece of mail to go out for the 20th of August, we are sending that out to arrive right before August 20th. So once we have that set up, moving forward, let's make it easy and let's go ahead and send it to a group. So let's click down, go down to Big Mail recipient list. So there's 441 people in this list. Moving forward, let's just do a postcard. We don't need to do any a letter or anything. You can. The automated feature works for all the formats that we have listed here. So let's do 4x6 card. Next, template settings. Let's either do standard or merge data. And so the difference between the two is standard, you're uploading an image, PDF or a JPEG for both the front and the back of the postcard, whereas merge data, you're uploading for the front of the card, which is just a solid image, and on the back of the card you have the ability to type in a message that you want to send out. So it's just kind of directly within an app, you type that out. So we're going to do standard. And here we have the design aspects. So you've got the front and the back of the postcard. So for the front, let's go ahead and upload the front of the card. Just drag and drop it on in there. And then for the back, you can add that in. And from there, let's go ahead and click next. So we've got the confirmation page here, and right now this is basically going to define everything that you set up in your campaign. So the campaign name, the fact that it's automated, for recipients you have 441 recipients. For the design, you've chosen the 4x6 postcard and the standard format. If you wanted to review the proof before it's sent, we click review proof, and you'll see we have the front of the image and the back. Moving back here, so one thing I wanted to note about the cost here, so this is including everything, so the addressing, the postage, the stock, the ink, everything's included in here, so that whenever you click to send that campaign, that's what you know what you're paying for. The account is free. All you need to do is sign up and pay for what it is that you send. So to confirm it, we click confirm, and that's set up. Well, thank you very much for learning how to set up an automated campaign. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us at info@thebigmailproject.com, and we look forward to seeing your project go out